Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Mayberry Investments is pleased to announce its successful role as the arranger of a secured corporate note that enabled First Rock Real Estate Investment Limited and its subsidiary FCH Jamaica Developers Limited to fully repay all of its obligations to Sagicor Bank Jamaica Limited. This repayment, which became effective on September 15, 2025, has resulted in the formal exit from receivership in relation to the real estate project at Bamboo Avenue. And I quote, "Mayberry is proud to have partnered with First Rock in structuring this transaction, which represents an important step in repositioning a significant real estate development in Jamaica," said Patrick Battalale, CEO. "Our team remains committed to supporting transformative projects that create value for our clients, investors, and the wider economy." Mayberry congratulates First Rock on the successful completion of this phase and looks forward to working closely with First Rock and the successful completion of the Bamboo Avenue project, which is poised to be a landmark development in Kingston. For the trading period ending September 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited shares of 3,843,538 units traded, representing 25.18% of market sales volume. Gaming and entertainment firm Supreme Ventures Limited with 1,485,072 units traded, representing 9.73% of market sales volume. Advertising and real estate firm Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,066,593 units traded, representing 6.99% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $90.49 million purchased and US $86.58 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.20 per dollar, selling the US at $160.75 and buying the US at $159.55. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders 76 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.37 and buying at $116.61. The British pound yielded forex traders $2.76 in profit, with selling at $220.49 and buying at $217.73. For our credit report tip of the day, the 5 C's of credit aren't just for banks, they're your daily business checklist. Character is where you pay vendors on time, deliver on promises, builds trust. Capacity is where you track cash flow weekly, keep financials current, and control expenses. Capital is where you reinvest profits, separate personal and business money, and show commitment. Collateral is where you maintain assets, ensure and document them, and protect your leverage. And conditions are where you watch trends, adjust pricing, diversify income streams. Run your business like opportunity is knocking every day. Credit worthiness isn't built at the bank, it's built in your daily actions. So which C do you need to take action on right now? And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.